Here's a brief demo of the line dance, Not Your Man. This video will be a blend of a demo from Main Street Billiards, and then also one that will show more clearly the footwork of the dance by the W Line Dance Group out of South Korea.
I guess you're doing me a favor. Melt my armor down to chains and bolts. Love to use the synonym of danger. Gas can light a flame with no remorse. Don't know why I let this go on for so long. Fake tears they never stain quite like the real ones. Pick a time you wasn't lying, bet you couldn't name me one. Name me one. If you could just if you get to see me looking dead in the eyes, you don't have to say it, baby. I understand that I'm not your man. No, I'm not your man. This ain't how you treat somebody you say you love. I gave you everything, it still ain't enough. You don't have to say it, baby. I understand that I'm not your man. No, I'm not your man. Once or twice ain't nothing but a number. But don't say that you're sorry now. If I knew what it was, I would have been done, gave you up. There ain't no problem back and shut that down. Don't know why I let this go on for so long. Fake tears they never stain quite like the real ones. Take your time, you wasn't lying, bet you couldn't name me one. Or name me one. If you could just leave me in the dead of the night. If you could see me looking dead in the eyes, you don't have to say it, baby. I understand that I'm not your man. No, I'm not your man. This ain't how you treat somebody you say you love. Oh, I'll give you everything, it still ain't enough. You don't have to say it, baby. I understand that I'm not your man. No, I'm not your man. Baby, I'm not your man. Oh, I'm not your man. Yeah. Oh, baby, I'm not. You could just leave if you could see me looking dead in my eyes. You don't have to say it, baby. I understand that I'm not your man. No, I'm not your man. Is this how you treat somebody you say you love? Oh, I gave you everything, it still ain't enough. Don't have to say it, baby. I understand that I'm not your man. No, I'm not your man. I'm not your man.
Thanks for watching. I'll have a link to the teaching video here at the end of this video right now, and also in the description below. Learn and enjoy. I believe I'm in a bit of a pickle.